Have you ever just had like a really, really hard wedding day? Maybe things were running behind and you didn't have enough time for portraits or things like that. Well, I've been there and I have a solution for you, and we're gonna talk about it in just a second. Hey, I'm Josiah Blizzard. So glad that you're here on this channel. We talk about wedding photography, filmmaking, creative entrepreneurship, business, all those things. And before you do anything else, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, because I have weekly videos coming out in 2021 and I don't want you to miss them. They're gonna be really, really helpful for you growing your business. So please don't miss out. I'm talking about timelines today and why you need to be making one for your clients. Now, I'm sure we've all been there. The wedding days have been running behind. You're stressed. You have like 5 minutes for portraits and you're not gonna be able to get all the images that your clients want, right? I've been there, I get it. But that issue for us has really gone away since we started making timelines for our clients. And we don't make the timelines 3-4 weeks before the wedding day. We make the timeline for our clients before they even book us. We make the client a timeline on their consultation call with us. That is when we're setting the precedent as experts in the field. We know what we're doing. We're telling them the best time for their day. We're giving them value before they even book us. And I would guarantee you that if you are the only photographer they're talking to that is giving them a timeline for their wedding day, guess what? Your booking rate is going way up because they're already seeing you providing them with value. So provide them with value, make the timeline, and it's gonna mean that they're running on your time schedule, on your timetable for the day. They're not following the coordinator's timeline. They're not following a makeup artist's timeline. They're not following the venue's timeline. They're following your timeline, and now your day is planned around the photography. It's planned around the portraits, the bridal party, the family photos. Only you know how much time you actually need to get through all of these family pictures or all of these portraits. For us, we know we need probably 30 minutes to get through bridal party. If we have 10 minutes for bridal party, we are going to be stressed, we're gonna be rushing. So when we make the timeline up front, it means that we have control of the day, we have the schedule made, we know when everything is happening. It's following our formula, our template. And if you want my formula and my template for the timeline, you can actually grab a free document down in the description below. It'll take you to my email list and I'll send you an email with the example timeline that we use, the timeline template. So that's the gist. Please make a timeline for your clients and preferably make it before they even book you, because it's going to increase your booking rate and you're going to be providing value to clients before they even hit that contract signed button. So that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please share this content with a friend who might find it helpful as well. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that bell along with the like button. Seriously, I'm asking for a lot, but I hope all this free content is valuable to you. It really helped me out if you hit those buttons there. And leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm here for you. I reply to every single comment on YouTube. So please hit that comment box, type in your question, and I'd love to answer that and communicate with you guys and be able to help you out even more there. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.